Hey YouTube, what's up? Exclamation back here, and I've got some awesome things to open up here. Got Emerging Powers Blister Pack, and a Zorua Blister to open up too. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this started. Yeah, Zorua looks awesome. Try and get this opened. I'll use a pen. Maybe. There we go. The fruit. Oh, I got tape on both sides. Okay. I think somebody might have tried to get into this or something. Got this at Walmart. It's all taped up on the sides, and I don't think they would do that just after they got it in. So, yeah. Try and get rid of this tape. Okay, there we go. Got that side open. The Zorua card's probably gonna be bent to hell, but alright, we got the Zorua card out. Let's check it out. It looks pretty good after going through all that. It's just a little bent, curved, as you can see. But nothing a little slave can't handle. I really like the Zorua card. How he's just standing on a rock in the water. This coin isn't too good looking itself. So yeah. Alright, so we got 3 blisters right here, and you got a 5th one right here. Just open that really fast and get it out. I'm looking for the, what other one is it? It is the, what's its name? Chinchino, I think it is. Looking for that promo card pack thing. And what other ones? I don't know. I don't remember. Alright, so I already got one of these saved up for collection purposes, so we'll get this out. And let's see, there's a card list. Here's the trainer challenge thing. Ducklet, Force Seed, and Pat Rat, so nothing too good. I don't know if that's the same card you get in each one of them or not, but hey, yeah, so we'll start off with the Cobalion pack now. Hopefully we'll get something good. I've already got all the full arts, and I got a Pokemon Catcher too. Okay, so okay. Don't want the code to be stolen or anything, so yeah. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. When I put the 3 cards in the front, I never get good pulls, so that's why I put them back there. Alright, so our first card is the Venipede, Force Seed, Volibye, Pansear, Emolga, Drillbur, Boldor, Crushing Hammer. Oh, that is awesome. Swasbuck, and Elovani. I think I got that already. Swasbuck. Oh, it's a rare reverse. That is awesome. I like how the leaves are showing. I don't know if it's shown on the camera, but yeah. That's awesome. Alright, next pack. It'll be the other Cobalion. Could really use some of the hollows that are in this set. I wouldn't mind getting the hollows, so let's take it out. 2, 3, 1, 2. Cottony, Sandile, Roggenrola, Joltik, Gothita, Throw, Drillbur, Watchhog. Oh, nice. Ducklet reverse. And an Unfezant rare. That's still good. I got a rare I don't have. I don't mind that. As long as I get a rare that I don't have, I'm good with the packs I get. Let's go with this one. Not too worried about keeping these packs all nice and safe and sealed and whatnot. Because I already got 3 out of the 4 artworks. I just need a Darmanitan one. Now, which I don't think I'll get just yet. Deerling, Cottony, Basculin. I like Basculin. He's an awesome Pokemon. Patrat, Forest Seed, Swaddaloon, Zorua. That's awesome. I like the artwork on that card. With their Crushing Hammer, Pansear, reverse. That is awesome. Excadrill Hollow. I already have that. So that'll probably be up for trade. Alright. Let's move these guys out of the way. Put them up there. Let's see if we can open at the bottom, I guess. Come on, let's get some good out of this pack. Something good. Give me another hollow, please. That'd be awesome. Put that there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Gothita. Purloin. Cottony. Panpour. Pansage. Max Potion. I don't have that trainer yet. Sigilyph. Drillbur. Gothita reverse. And Swasbuck rare. That's awesome. So I've got a complete Swasbuck set, I think, unless it comes in a hollow version. So yeah. Alright, so yeah, really nothing too good of pulls right there. Except I think I might have got the good Gothita. I'm not really sure though. I have to do some research on that. Oh yeah, I got a promo card to add to my collection. Yeah. That's about all I have for you guys now. Yeah, I guess I'll catch you guys later. Subscribe to me if you haven't already. Subscribe to my other channel, my walkthrough channel, Dragonite Laxer 999. And yeah, hit the like button too. That'd be awesome. And I'll catch you guys later. See ya.